Today is March 29th, March 29th, and it is approximately 7 o'clock a.m. and me and my brother are about to head out for our very first day of excursions. We are doing a lot today, so I'm really excited. It is very early, but we're gonna have an amazing day. So I'm gonna just take you guys along with all the activities that we're doing. I wanted to stop by and see if I could grab something for breakfast, but it's already 7 and we're leaving at 7:15. So not too sure if that's gonna happen, but I am excited. I have my mask, my water case, my headphones, and my towel. I'm really hoping my phone doesn't die. But we'll see. And then also I'm gonna take my key card with me. Just seeing if I'm forgetting anything. I was gonna take my charger, my portable charger, but I think I might be pushing it a little bit. I don't wanna have too many things, especially too many loose things. So yeah, but without further ado, guys, let's go to this excursion. See you guys soon. How's your first time ziplining?
It was light. I'll do it again.
Hey.
I'll do it again.
First time. What up?
Midday! How y'all doing? Good? Good. What's wrong with you, brother? You're not good. Tell me about it, man. Piece of issue. Hold it! So this river we on is known as the Great River. What's the name of it?
Great River.
Great River. Everyone here is from the state, or we have any Jamaican down here?
What's the question? Oh, no, not Jamaican. In the States.
Oh. No Jamaican down here?
No.
Yeah. First time to Jamaica?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, man. Hey! Yeah, what happened is that we got a lot of rocks down there, as I told you. So what happened is that the rocks, they will hurt your bottom and stuff, man. So unless you want a free butt massage, you can go ahead and, you know what I mean?
So nice.
Yeah.
But you're on your own.
That's the reason they call this river the Great River. Because it's a border between the two parishes, you know what I mean? And it's never run dry.
So it's the quickest way to get across.
Quickest way to get across, bro, hit the river. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, no joke, man.
Legs up. Pick your legs up. Legs up. Oh, let's go. Out there. Out there. Drive left turn. Ride it.
Hey guys, so we just came back from doing, what was it? The rafting down the river, which was really nice. And then we jumped off a cliff. So I had a really good experience with that. That was super nice. Right now we're eating lunch with, I think it's called breadfruit. And it kind of looks like vegetables and jerk chicken. And then they gave us some punch. And the scenery is so nice. I'll show you guys how my food looks. The view is so the boat ride.
You know what this is? You can hold it to the hand. Do your hand like this.
It's spiky.
Okay?
Just came from snorkeling. That was so much fun. I had such a good time. So crazy, but how do you like it? I had a good time. Saw stingray, pork tree. It was good. The view is breathtaking. So on our way back to Chuka, I'm about to get some jerk chicken to go and some vegetable, and then I'm sure we'll like shortly get back to the meal. You guys done?
Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm back from Chuka. We had like a cute boat experience. So good, so nice. We got some food from Chuka, me and my brother. So I got some jerk chicken and then some festival. The jerk chicken came with festival, but I asked for extra festival because I love festival. So I'm just tearing this up. We had such a great time today. The jerk chicken is so good. We did Chuka adventures. We did the ATVs. We did zip lining. We did the rafting, river rafting, which was so nice. And then we did the Chuka boat. Super, super nice. The food was so good. This was complimentary with what we got, but me and my brother got extra food because the resort food isn't that great. So I'm gonna go shower and then I think I'm gonna meet the girls for dinner. I probably won't eat much because obviously I'm eating this great food. But I'm gonna check in with you guys after I shower and I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, and welcome to day 4 of this Jamaica vlog. Last night was crazy. I didn't vlog much, but we were just having drinks, dancing, having a good time. I feel like a little bit hungover, I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel the best today, but it's our last full day here in Jamaica, so I need to make the most out of it. Today we're going to Martha's Bray, the infamous Martha Bray. And then we're gonna go to Dunn's River Falls. So I'm super excited today. We have really nice activities going on. I already got dressed. I'll show you guys my full outfit soon. But yeah, it's gonna be definitely an adventurous day. We're about to head off and get some breakfast, and then we have a private driver. So we're gonna like stop off at a tourism shop. I'll try to show you guys that. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some white honey. And then we're gonna go do our excursions, and then we're gonna try and eat at a local place to try some like authentic Jamaican food. I don't feel super good, like I mentioned, but I'm hoping that I can like thug it out so that I can enjoy my day. But yeah, that's basically what we are going to be doing today. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. this is what I'm wearing today. I have like this nice bathing suit. I think I got this from PLT. And then it wraps around like so. So it's a really, really cute bathing suit. And then I'm just wearing it with some high-waisted white pants just as a cover up. And then chains and then some sunnies because I'm gonna need them today, y'all. And then I just have like my little white flats, but I need to wear my swim shoes. So hopefully I can put those in my brother's bag and we're gonna be out. Yeah, guys, I'll see you later on in the day and you guys can follow me around with what I'm doing. See you then. Hey guys, for breakfast, I have a baguette, egg, bacon, and sausage. My brother's having, I don't know what it is with that. I think that's fried dumplings.
Some salt. Thank you.
Thank you.
Orange juice. I got a pineapple juice and a fruit. Yeah. All right, I got it.
Thank you.
Bring it down yet. Still here.
Right now we're doing rafting, White River rafting. The view is so nice.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Where you guys going when you leave here?
New York.
Not that way.
Oh, you mean what's next?
Yeah, what's next?
We're doing Dunn's River Fall.
Dunn's River,
Yeah.
So you guys do the Blue Hole already?
No, we've never been to that.
It's a nice place to do. It's furthermore up on the river. It's, where you have like the jump and you have the mud boards and stuff like that.
Ah.
You have guys that do the jump for you guys, and if you guys don't want to jump, they do the jump for you. You take pictures. You get like to walk in the air alongside the water and see how deep some part is shallow. You can go and have a water beating on top of you like that. Yeah. Pause, yeah.
You think that's better than Dunn's River?
Yeah, it's better than that. That's the way you just go and climb the fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue Hole is more out and more. It's more adventure more than
Dunn's River.
So you find most people coming from Montego, they come to
The Blue Hole.
how they talk about the Blue Hole.
We're currently at Dunn's River Falls. We made it. We're about to go and climb the waterfall. Everything you need has to be waterproof in order to climb the fall. So that's pretty much it. water is super fresh and nice. Just a beautiful view. I highly recommend climbing Montego Falls if you can in Jamaica because the view is just breathtaking. The water is super fresh and super nice. I had such a good time climbing the waterfall. So beautiful. Now we're about to head out and leave since we reached the end of the ride. Hey guys, so I just made it back to the hotel from Martha's Bray and from Dunn's Fall. I had such an amazing time today. It was super active. We did so many activities. It was so nice. And it's great to be back in the resort for our last day, or our last night, I should say. So I'm gonna go and shower. And well, first I'm gonna kill this food. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in a minute. And then I'm gonna go shower because I've been in water all day. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I'll probably chill in the room a little bit. And then maybe around 9:30, I'm gonna head to the bar or something like that. Only virgin drinks because of the morning I had. Only virgin drinks tonight and I have a flight tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna chill at the bar with the girls and my brother, and that's gonna be it for the last night. So I'll try to vlog our last night there. We'll see how it goes, but first let me show you my food and then I'll catch you guys later. So we went to a local spot called Sharky. We just stopped there. If I knew it was known for seafood, hence the name Sharky, I probably would have gotten seafood there. Earlier I had what did I get earlier today? I got I think like red snapper, like a fish earlier today, but I could go for fish again. But I got jerk chicken again. I have this salad, and I think this sauce, I don't know, this sauce is so good. It's spicy. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a dressing, but I have this sauce. It looks kind of crazy because it was in a bag and it moved around. And then we just have some traditional Jamaican rice and peas here. So I'm gonna kill this and then I'm gonna go shower. So I'll catch you guys later. Good morning. Today is March 31st and it is checkout day. Today's our last day here in Jamaica. Oh man, I can't believe it's already the last day. I had such an amazing time here. I'm actually taking a different flight, different returning flight. So most of the other so basically the entire crew is going to be on the same flight. My flight is different because I'm flying into a different city. But yes, today is the last full day. Not full day. Today is the last morning really here in Jamaica. I've had such an amazing time. I can't believe that it has come to an end. But my pickup time is at 10:35. So right now it's about 9:10-ish. So I'm gonna like quickly run to get some breakfast and then come back to the room so that I can like finish packing. I like started packing last night, so everything's pretty much organized, but those little things that I couldn't pack until the morning, I have to pack those. So when I come back from breakfast, I'm gonna pack everything and then head to the front to get my shuttle back to the airport. Back to the airport, I needed a negative COVID test, so I have that with me printed. And yeah, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I hope you had like an amazing experience being able to see the beautiful country of Jamaica. And I hope that you guys, if you're traveling to Jamaica soon, I'm hoping that this video was really helpful and that you try some of the activities and excursions that I did, or even if it's staying at this resort. I'm gonna try and do kind of like a how-to FAQ video on traveling to Jamaica, what you should know, especially like COVID era. So if that's of interest of you, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or got any tips. And I just thank you guys for sticking around with me. This is my very first vlog, and I'm hoping that I'll get better at it. So I can show you guys more content and show you around my travel journeys. So I hope you guys really like it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!
Talk to me